back in Gabon again, and just another one of those lazy afternoons, I suppose. Not the best of weather, looking a bit grey outside. It's quite grey over there. So we seem to have chosen quite a good day then to go to the golf course. I didn't know there was a golf course here, so pretty excited to go and have a look at it. There's a driving range. Now, I haven't played golf in probably about 5 years. Not real golf, that is. So we're heading down to the driving range with some of the other crew members, not from our company, from another company. And yeah, just going to go down there, spend maybe an hour on the driving range, and then we're going to play 9 holes. So no idea what the condition of the course is like. Well, I'm probably not going to play very well. Probably going to look very much like I'm trying to fight off a snake in a phone booth. But, you know, let's see. Maybe we have a bit of fun. The weather is not looking too promising. It's just drizzling at the moment, a fair amount of drizzle, but it looks like it's going to carry on raining by the looks of things. So yeah, don't know how well the golf is going to go. The range should be okay because it's got a roof over it, but yeah, I don't know, might be quite a wet game. Seems like we've got a broken down truck over here, which was kind of slowing down traffic. Good thing is that I'm about 3 k's away, a little bit late, about 10 minutes late so far, but not too bad. Traffic wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but also not as good as it could have been. Come on, what's happening here? Nobody's going. So we've got to take a right off the main road now, and just this short piece of little town driving. We're going to turn down a little alleyway, and then that should be the golf course, theoretically, according to Google. So doesn't really look much like a golf course type of area, but you know, who knows. I think this is the golf course coming up here. What does it say? Gabonese de golf. Yeah, this is it. Made it. Yes. That was interesting. It's about a 20-minute drive. Of course, we could have been going faster, but it was raining a bit. But yeah, 20-25 minutes, and it's looking promising so far. Google wasn't too wrong. Nice and green, so good for that. Compared to some of the places that we that we go to in South Africa. Yeah, let's go and have a look what it's like. How's it going? Good wet. To stop. We'll let a few balls and then we'll see. Yeah. She said she wasn't keen. But this is normal.
Messi. I have a few times.
So, made it to the driving range. It's still raining, so yeah, there is a roof. It's going to be fine on the range, and hopefully the rain passes shortly so that we can get onto the course. Although a slight drizzle is not really going to be a major problem on the course, we did bring umbrellas, so it's hope for the best. A little bit worried actually. Last shots at the range were okay. The first ones were terrible. They were at least going down the range, but you know, it's that, what do they call it, 9 and 3 golf. That type of thing. But it was good. But I think I've got it dialed in now. I can turn pro tomorrow and play in my first prize money game. Time for 9 holes. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so first round of golf is done. I stopped counting score after a while, but I had 2 good holes, 2 par holes, a lot of good drives. Sort of mid-game wasn't that great, and a few good putts. So here's to next time. Oh, and the course is actually quite nice here in Gabon. Really looking forward to playing it again. See you later, guys. Cheers.